Hello my dear friends, today we are going to know about or learn about how to add two binary numbers. This is very easy, and for your information, binary number is a collection of zeros and ones, 0 and 1. And we are going to add two binary number like this, 110011 and another number 101010, which will get the sum of a sum of 110011. I don't know if it's correct or not. Let's get see what it is. So getting the coding part, let's roll the intro. So hi friends, today we are going to learn the coding in Java. So first we have to create a class name tutorial. I'm going to create a tutorial. So I'm going to public void, sorry, static void main and string. Okay, yeah, gs as a main function of the Java programming. We have to write it. So now going to the logic of the programming of the binary number. First we have to take two variables which we are going to add. So first variable will be a binary number 1, binary 1, and second will be binary 2. But what will be the data type? I'm going to data type of long, as it allow us to create a large number or take a large number as a variable in aspect of int data type is going, as it is very give us a very restriction of using such large numbers. So now I am going to create an array which is going to store the sum of that, and is going to be an int type array. So int sum new. I'm not going to detect what is the coding around, so I'm going to assign the size of that array. Okay, that's finished, and I'm going to index create an index of that array. So int I, and its line is 0, and another thing which is going to be a carry. As you all know that whenever we add two numbers, if they're more than 10, then it will carry. But in binary numbers, I'm going to explain later what is use of the carry. So I'm also going to initialize with that 0. Now let's get in the statements of asking the user to input two integers, two binary numbers. So let's get started. Dot print ln, enter the numbers. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate it for another input and ask. Oh, first we have forgot that to import the scanner class so that I can call the user input. So first, for that I have to give a create a scanner class in this, or call scanner class scanner. I'm going to say sc, as is a basic creating of the object for a scanner class, and then new scanner system dot in. That's all. I created a scanner class, and that's already imported in the id import java.util.scanner, and that's all. So let's get into the getting the user input. So for that I have to use the binary 1 equals to sc dot next long, because I'm using JetBrains ID. It's going to tell me what is the best suitable port for that, so I'm using that. And for this, binary 2 sc dot next long, and so our user input and statements are completed. Now the main logic part will be here. I'm using the while loop for that, and inside the while loop I'm going to say whenever any of the binary number is not going to be 0, then use the while condition. If both of them 0, the sum will be 0. Okay, so I'm going to use that condition. So that is binary 1 not equals to 0, binary 2 not equals to 0. And so the condition is completed. Now I have to get on the logic. So my logic is here that I have created as some array which will store the every digits of that added binary number, which is going to be look like this. Sum and incrementing the index every loop. I have to use index I plus plus, which is equal to, and it is the int, and variables are long, we have to typecast that. So for that I have to use int, and for typecasting I am going to binary 1, and I have to remove the every by digit for adding into the summation. So I have to remove with a modulo of 10 in the binary 1, add binary 2 mod 10, and also the secret number I have assigned, that is one, that is carry. So let's ask add the carry in this. As in addition, you all know the carry is further added if it is not 0, further in the next number going to be added. So carry, and then we have to divide it by 2, no sorry, mod with 2. So this is the condition for getting the sum element. And now we have to assign the carry. What is carry going to be? So carry equals to the same as carry is an int, we have to typecast, and then binary 1, same thing we have done before, and then binary 2. The main difference is that I have to divide that so that the number which is removed is not going to make trouble for us. So I divide by 2, and so now binary numbers will new binary numbers will become like this: binary mod. And okay, I have written the 2 here, so remove that one. Okay, now binary 2 equals to binary 2 mod 10. So okay, I have completed. So okay, so it's completed. Now what is there any missing things? No, I have completed the while loop, and this is the overall what a while loop will needed. So it's going to be more that if the carried number is not equals to 0, then we have to add in the same array of the in the after finishing the while loop. If the carry number is not equals to 0, then we have to add in this sum array. So for that I have to say carry is not equals to 0, then insert in the sum I plus plus equals to carry, and then increase the now I have to decrement that I which is increased by the carry. So minus minus I, that's all. Now I have to print that sum. For that I have to create a while loop again, which is going to print that sum array to the output screen. So for that I have to create a while I is greater than equals to 0, and then print. Okay, so system dot out dot, I'm going to use print, as it's not going to print, it's going to print on a single line. So and then some I minus minus, so that every digits will be inserted in a reverse order. And then that's all for the coding. Let's try this out. Yeah, running. So running or not? I have to run it again. Enter the number. I write 110011. Okay, enter the number 101010. Okay, so there is an error, and the error is for what? Okay. I don't know what the problem is. So okay. The problem here is that I have created this uh, or that's my mistake. Sorry, I have to use that divided sign for removing the average digit which is encountered in the while loop first. So that will solve the problem. Let's try this out again. It's running, parsing Java, running and finished, and enter the number 110011 and 101010, and the output is 101110. So it's not the correct answer. The answer is 101101. So our programming is finished. So let's talk about your task. Your task is first going to be subscribe this channel and click the red button on the below of this screen that's going to subscribe my channel and help me, and press the bell icon which is besides that. Okay, so keep watching, keep following my channel for further updates. If you like my channel, press the like button also for further updates. Bye bye, goodbye, and see you